Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lauren. So I know I look a little rough and I typically wouldn't come on camera looking like this, but I got something I want to show y'all. So I actually tried to film this video before and I'll get y'all the backstory on that in just a second. But first I want to tell y'all what we're going to be doing, or what I'm going to be doing in this video. I am going to do my eyebrows. Now if y'all can look back at previous videos, y'all will see that I just naturally have bushy eyebrows, and as you can tell, they don't look bad right now, but the lines and stuff aren't crisp enough for my liking. So how to achieve this situation that we're going to do today? You're going to need, okay, so the first thing you're going to need is this big boy right here, NAIR. Okay, so going back to what I said earlier about me trying to film this before, it was a fail because I literally burnt my skin because this is a chemical. So before we get started, I would like to say, if you have super sensitive skin, I would not recommend this for you. Secondly, they do have other types. They have some for sensitive skin. They actually do have some for the face, and this does say like don't use on your face, so don't be like me. Hopefully I don't hurt myself this time, but you know, this is the big thing you're gonna need is some NAIR. And then to like apply it, you're gonna need some Q-tips, you know, just to keep everything nice and clean. You're also gonna need some wipes. This is the Equate brand because you're dealing with NAIR. You want to get all of it off your face. You want to, you know, just really keep this as safe as possible, you know. So you're gonna need some wipes. You're gonna also need some tweezers. So if you can do your eyebrows with just tweezers, do that. But you know, for this specifically, you might need some tweezers. And then you're also gonna need a spoolie and some scissors or hair shears. And then also, when you get at the end, you're gonna need some cotton squares, cotton rounds, a toner, and aloe vera gel. And I say that because the NAIR is kind of harsh, like I just said, so the toner and then the aloe vera gel is really gonna help cool your skin. It's gonna tone down the redness and just, you know, make you look as normal as possible. And what I have been doing, because I haven't did this big process since October, honestly, and it's tomorrow, December 1st. So yeah, I've been using this razor, and I usually just, you know, do this, go down, lift, keep my skin stretched, if that makes sense, and like do all the little hair and stuff right there. And it's really been holding me over. It's just my eyebrows aren't as crisp as I would like them to be. So I'm going to set my situation up, and from here on out I will be doing just a voiceover. So yeah. Okay y'all, so for this process, the first thing I do is just squeeze a little bit of the NAIR onto the lid, and then I take my spoolie and just start to brush my eyebrow hairs into place. And you know, I just try to get it to lay how I would like them to lay, regardless of how long the hairs actually are. And then I take a Q-tip, as you see, and dip it in the NAIR, and then start to shape my eyebrows to get rid of the hair. And I just go under it, like I line it. And the best tip that I can give y'all is do it how you would shape your eyebrows with concealer when you're drawing them on. And that's exactly how I know how to do my eyebrows now. It's because I know how to shape them with concealer when I draw them on, when I fill them in. So I just basically do the same exact thing except with the NAIR. And I don't leave this on for long, no longer than 2 minutes, because you know it's a chemical, it can burn you. And then I do the exact same thing for the top of my eyebrow. I shape it how I want it to be shaped. It's still very easy. Honestly, the top is easier than the bottom. That's just my opinion though. But I do the exact same thing. Okay, so as you can see right here, I'm taking a clean Q-tip and rubbing the area to see if any hair come up, because I didn't want to take the nair off too soon. And once I saw, you know, that hair was coming off, I took a wipe and just wiped off this bottom part. And like I just said, I didn't leave it on longer than 2 minutes, honestly. So I wiped it off thoroughly, and then once I wiped it off, you know, I brushed it up with my spoolie, and I actually did see some more hair that I would like, you know, to be gone. So I went in with a little bit more nair and just put it in the area that it needed to be on. And then once I did that, and it's all of it set on for about, you know, another minute or so, I went ahead and wiped the top half off. And now you see I'm actually going in with tweezers instead of more nair, because it's just easier to do that with the top. So I'm just tweezing and getting it right. So after another minute or so, I went ahead and wiped off all of the nair, and I went over my eyebrow a couple times just to make sure I got all of that nair off. And as you can see, it looks pretty good, especially when compared to the other one. It just looks more sharper, and you know, just it looks good. And now I'm brushing it up with my spoolie, just, you know, get my last minute touches to see what I think. And now it's time to go in with the other brow. So I'm brushing it up like I did on the other side with the spoolie, and then I'm gonna go in and start shaping it, and just basically doing the same exact thing that I did on the other side. And my left brow is the one that I'm doing right now. This one always comes out better, in my opinion. It's just easier to shape. It just always comes out better. Random fact, but yeah. This right here is just me showing y'all that I like my left brow, which is this one, more than the right one, that one. Now I'm just applying the nair in between my eyebrows, because I actually have a unibrow. Honestly, I have a lot of hair in between. So yeah, I'm applying the nair right here just to get that part nice and bald. And in between my brows is a little sensitive when I use nair. So instead of going in a second time with nair, I actually just went in with my tweezers and got the last little bit of hair that was left in the middle that the nair didn't get. So right here, I'm brushing my eyebrow hairs up, and that's because I'm about to cut them. As you can see, my eyebrow hair grow really long, so I like to trim them down just so they can stay in place much easier. So on both sides, on both brows, I brush them up first, then I go in with my hair shears to just trim the hair. And honestly, if you have smaller shears, that would be a lot easier to use, because you have to be careful, because I can easily cut off my whole brow. So be careful if you choose to do this step. So now I'm gonna go in with my cotton square and take my toner. I used the Up and Up brand from Target, and I put a nice amount on, and then I lightly go in to wipe my eyebrows just to further, you know, soothe the skin, and to get, you know, any leftover nair, which it shouldn't be because I got it all off with a wipe, but it's mostly just to soothe the skin and to calm down the possible redness that could happen. Then next, I take my aloe vera gel, literally like less than a dime size amount. And I'm about to show you the brand that I use. It's Fruit of the Earth. It's the aloe vera gel. And I kind of put half on one finger, half on the other. And then I literally just massage this into my skin, into my brows. Again, to soothe the skin, to calm down the redness, and just massage that area.
So you guys, I am completely done. This is the final result. Now as you can see, I do have like some redness right here because I actually hit, I guess, a bump or a scar right here. So the nair kind of, you know, burned it, obviously. But it's not bad. And I got a little bit of redness right in here, which is typically to be expected in this area. I didn't leave it on long enough, I don't think, to cause any bad damage or anything, so that's okay. And as you can see, I showed y'all every step I typically do. Again, to keep this up for the next month and a half to 2 months, I will just use this razor and, you know, just, you know, keep the hair in order. Yeah, I cleaned it up. I plucked a little bit where it needed to be plucked. Shaved, because my eyebrow hair is getting pretty long, so I shaved them. Not shaved them, I cut them, as y'all saw. And then lastly, I just applied a toner. I used the Up and Up brand toner, and then I just used the Fruit of the Earth aloe vera gel. And this is the same stuff I use on my actual face for my skincare anyway, so, you know. But yeah, this is it. As you can see, it looks pretty good if I say so myself. If you plan on using this, I recommend not deeply washing your face for about a week and a half, because the natural oils your skin get will be a good protective layer from this, so it'll be able to get the skin but not completely burn you. So this is like very minimum. Sometimes I don't even get this redness right here. I really don't. You know, it's like once every now and again I get it. But yeah, if you do use this, I do recommend not deeply cleansing your face for about a week, maybe a week and a half. I only say that because I would suggest having, you know, a nice layer. I don't mean don't wash your face in the mornings anyways, whether I like deeply wash my face or not. I do either go in with a wipe or a washcloth, like a hot washcloth, and literally just wipe my face, clean my face every morning. I don't always use a face wash or a face exfoliator, but especially when you plan on using this, don't use an exfoliator, especially. And I would suggest not using a face wash either. Just use a hot towel, a nice hot towel or a wipe to clean your face, to clean the very surface of it, and still going in with your toner and all your other special stuff to, you know, get what the towel couldn't get. But yeah, you can take it how you want to take it. I would just suggest not, or just don't wash above your eyebrows, or just don't wash this area. Wherever the nair is going to go, don't wash that area. So maybe you can still wash, just don't only wash this right here. Do not wash anything right here. That's my only suggestion. But as you can see, it worked out pretty well for me. I only used 2 Q-tips, both ends of each Q-tip, and yeah, I'm so happy I didn't like burn my face or anything, and I was able to record this video. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
So first things first, yeah, subscribe to my channel. Most importantly, give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below whatever you want. If you use this, please comment down below. I saw this on Facebook a little while ago, and that's why I do it. So yeah, share the video with a friend, and again, like I just said, subscribe to my channel. We're on the way to 200 subscribers, so just help you girl make that happen, and I would really appreciate it. And I'm going to see you in my next video, y'all. Bye. Hey, before the video end, I did want to just go in and show y'all a couple pictures of my eyebrows. These first 3 was before I shaped them and did my makeup, and these last 3 is after I did my makeup. They always look better when I do my makeup. I don't know, that's why I shape them, so they can look good when I do my makeup. But yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. Bye.